In the world of solar energy, where innovation meets sustainability, a powerful tool is reshaping the way brands connect, engage, and elevate themselves. Welcome to the realm of social media, where stories unfold, education spreads, and conversations ignite. As a rooftop solar installer in India, your mission reaches beyond just installing panels. You're shaping a cleaner, brighter future. And social media holds the key to amplifying your impact. Imagine the stories you can share, stories that educate. Break down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces. Enlighten your audience about the latest advancements, government incentives, and the environmental benefits of solar energy. But it's not just about education, it's about engagement. Craft content that sparks curiosity. Share thought leadership pieces that stir up dialogues. When people discuss your content, their connections take notice, and your brand's awareness soars. Social media is a gateway to meaningful interactions. Encourage discussions about sustainable living, energy independence, and the future of solar in India. Your expertise drives these conversations, positioning you as a trusted industry voice. And when you showcase your successful projects and satisfied customers, you're not just sharing a story, you're building trust. Prospective clients can see your work firsthand, fostering confidence in your capabilities. Consistency is key. Your brand's online presence should reflect your commitment to quality. Regular posts maintain engagement, solidify your brand identity, and keep you top of mind among your audience. Here in India, a land of diverse landscapes and energy needs, social media knows no bounds. From the bustling cities to the serene rural areas, your content can inspire change everywhere. And the beauty of it? Social media offers tangible metrics. You can track likes, shares, comments, and more. These insights help you tailor your content strategy for even greater impact. So, as a rooftop solar installer, harness the potential of social media. Connect with industry peers, collaborate on innovations, and showcase your passion for sustainable energy solutions. Remember, every post you make is a step towards a cleaner, greener world. Embrace the power of social media to illuminate not just rooftops, but minds and conversations. Unleash the true potential of social media for your solar brand. Together, let's light up India with knowledge, innovation, and progress. Thank you. If you like the content, please like, share, and comment.